This is the freight elevator at 300 South Craig Street, Carnegie Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Again, I'm not sure what these were originally, but they were modernized by Dover traditional. There's your shaft. Go down. Oh, this is interesting due to it having a rear door. I guess we'll go down. This is really confusing. Basement and level A, I guess. Not sure how this works. Yeah, level A is a little bit above B on the rear door here at the basement. We'll go up to 4. Yeah, that's locked. 3R. It's also locked. We'll go up to 3. Here, 3 works. Modernized. I don't know if these were originally, but they were modernized in the 90s by Dover Traditional. Here at 3, this is the freight elevator. G-speed center opening door. Innovation lanterns. Back down 1. Padded elevator, pretty basic cab. There's your other panel. I don't think that panel works. Used to be sounding doors. These motors are really loud. They may be the original motors, but I'm not really sure. Back at 1.